Hi guys, welcome to our first ever long form video. Today I'm going to show you everything we are launching for our new summer collection for this year. I've dumped everything inside this. Before starting, I also want to show you these boxes. The silver dazzleish logo, and then this is a magnetic box. It opens like this with a very first product, which is the arm cuff, and it is adjustable. You're supposed to wear it this way. If your hands are thicker, you can adjust it accordingly. You can push it this way. And if you have a very thin arms, you can just push it this way. It's something new that you can add and amp up your outfit. And this is one thing that you should have it. And if you're going for beachy vacations, then these jewelry, you should definitely check them out because I'm sure there is something for everybody. Let's begin with necklaces. We're doing these very fun string necklaces. They have really cute charms. So if you're going for like your vacation, this is going to be super cute, like very basic fit. And you can just amp it up with this charm necklace and it's going to look so cute. Like people are going to come and ask you, where is this from? Then we have this really chunky charm necklace, which is super bougie. This is for somebody who loves, charm necklaces. You want to look like that, those it girls in this summer. You should have this. It's so pretty. Like, look at each and every charm. This is very pretty. You can wear it as a choker. Again, they have these strings that you can put on, so you can wear it as a choker, or you can wear it as a necklace at whichever length you want. You can layer it up, layer it down, just wear it solo. Every piece for that matter, you can just play around. And these are super fun for your beachy night out or for your vacation or literally for your daily night outs as well. This is a piece regardless of summer or not, you can wear it. This is such a pretty gorgeous necklace. And the fish itself is so damn gorgeous. You can just wear to your bikini top or your v-necks. Just wear this and it's going to give you so much color, so much to your outfit. All of these are like made of stainless steel. They're gold plated. It's safe for your skin and it's very durable, so you don't have to worry about all of it. They are really high quality pieces. Fish is literally all around my Pinterest. Again, have another fish. It's also super cute. It's summer that you can wear these colors, right? I mean, yeah, definitely you can wear colors whenever you want. Summer is the season where you can wear colors and you should flaunt your colors. And again, this has a very thin chain. You can wear like a tank top or like a t-shirt, like a going out top, and then you can layer this fish necklace. Super dainty, but it has the raw icy blue color, which is the color of the season, I would say. This shelly necklace, because and a very thin dainty necklace we have, because we also want to keep the collection for people who don't want to experiment much but also want to wear these pieces, which are like very easy to style and they don't have to worry much. Very lightweight, so you don't have to worry. And again, it's super cute, super dainty. All of them are made of stainless steel, so they are of high quality. Just wear it, go out, don't worry, but just take care of your jewelry pieces, because again, even if it's gold or silver, high real gold or silver, they do tarnish. So over time, yes, if you don't take care about it, but just go have fun. Nothing to worry about that way. How you can style it, you can just wear one single piece and you look put together. But if you layer it up, oh my god, your outfit game is gonna change completely. You should keep layering your bracelets, your necklace stack. It just changes your game, and I'm talking with experience. This necklace, if you think you want to layer a little bit more, you can just layer the charm necklace. Earrings, we're doing a couple of them because I feel like statement earrings in summer, they just make your look to another level. As I mentioned, the color is all over. We have this really statementy shell starfish pearl necklace in the color icy blue, which is the color of the season. So now this is going to be perfect for your beachy vacations. When you're going out, you can just wear it for a party or like club hopping. You can wear this. Look at it, it's so pretty. It has the perfect color. A very experimental piece, starfish and the shell thing. This shell is literally the beach shell that you see, and the starfish, of course, is gold plated. But this is such a fun piece. I mean, look at it. Super close, super cute. The combination is again so cool. Bet you have not seen this. I want to see how girls will style this. Statementy starfish earrings. This is our previous collection, but I thought I should show this because this is still so relevant, and girls and influencers keep wearing this, and I feel like it's such a cute statement piece. I mean, it's basically a starfish. You can wear it this way and it's going to give you so much statement to your look. If you're going for a concert, wear this, throw this on. good to go. Do not think about it. Influencers and our customers have done it and again, and they look so gorgeous in it. The sun studded earrings. Now, this is super lightweight. You can't even feel it. It looks very statementy and very bougie, but it's so lightweight, and it's gonna look super cute. Again, we're doing a lot of suns and stars and everything beachy and summery, but I feel this is such a cool piece, and it's so lightweight. Like, you can just wear it this way and go and wear anywhere. They don't want to carry so much weight on their ears. This is the perfect piece. Huggies are for everyone. A lot of girls are actually very minimal. They want to just wear something minimal which has a little bit of statement on it. So the Starfish does exactly that. And the Huggies, they are so lightweight. You can wear it all day long. I know, girls, you want something that you can wear all day long without worrying of pain and anything. So that's why I wanted to include these also. The earring, which I thought I should add it, because this is a very chill piece, very affordable, very cute. This is a ear cuff. Supposed to wear it this way. So actually, for this matter, you don't need piercing. So for girls who don't have earrings but still want to wear like little layers on your ears, this is a perfect piece that you should get. I want you to experience this, because even I don't have piercings, and when I look at other girls, I wish like I want to have piercings, but then I feel like no, I don't want to go through the pain. So if you're somebody like that who love piercings but don't know if you want that pain, get this product. Another ear cuff, but it has the perfect Starfish. You need piercings because it has the adjustable system again, so you can adjust it according to your ear. You know what, this time I want to get ear cuffs for girls who don't have piercings. Let's change this. So I've changed this. Now it's your job to look cool. Dazzlish.in. I will mention our website link in the bio. Go there and just scroll our collection. You'll find something, and trust me, the prices are so affordable. Very good quality pieces that you won't find anywhere. Everybody who uses Dazzlish, they feel that the quality is top notch and the prices are so good. We're coming towards the end of the video because we have last three pieces left. Is a bikini charm. Wear it on the strings of the bikini. It's just basically accessorizing your bikini, because nobody has ever accessorized their bikinis. Look at the anklet. It has shell, dolphin, starfish, everything. This is so cute. So wear it this way. Versatile pieces, something that I love. Last but not the least, we have this hand chain. It has sun, moon, and like star situation. I want to give my girls everything that is there on Pinterest, because half of my day is on Pinterest. I'm spending half of my day on Pinterest. I want to give you everything that is available over there. So I was like, you know what? Let's include a hand chain, because every it girl is wearing hand chain, and hand chain is super cute, elevates your hand stack. So if you love hand stack, hand chains are for you. Okay, guys, that's it for the haul. Thank you so much for watching it. Any queries, any questions about the launch, or anything about the quality, delivery, how to order, anything that is, just drop down in the comments and we'll sort out all your queries. Please tell me in the comments, how did you like our collection? Would you be interested in more such vlogs? I would love to do it for you guys, and drop some ideas. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one. Bye.